Hey everybody, it's Steve K Promo, Mr. Balloon Wizard, and Steve Klein coming at you. And today I'm going to show you guys a really cool Halloween headband. I was playing around with my balloons yesterday, and I wanted to make something fun. And I posted on Facebook, just wanted to see what the response was. And this is what I came up with. So this is my headband for Halloween. Well, a headband for Halloween. Let me get this on straight. It's my Jack Skellington, and I hope you guys like it. And I want to show it to you guys. Again, just having fun here so far with the tutorials. And, we'll be moving on to some other things on my station, as I said. So to start this off, we're going to start with a black 260. Today I'm using Metallic balloons. Okay. Going to inflate the balloon, leaving maybe about, I don't know, 10 finger tail, tie it, make an ear twist about an inch. Okay. Second ear twist, same size, just kind of estimate it. Make a little bubble, another ear twist, and another ear twist, same size, and another bubble, another ear twist, and another ear twist, and another bubble, and another ear twist, and another ear twist. We're doing 5 sets, okay, is what we're doing. So far we have 4, and one last one. This is going to be the base on the headband and also his shirt, which is black with the white pinstripes. We're going to cut this off. I would save this because you're going to need to wrap this into the headband, or tie it in rather. Okay, so you want to make sure that all the bubbles are facing the same way, because when we put in the headband, it's going to go something like that, right? So these are the connection points as well. So first of all, we're going to make this skeleton. So I take a 5-inch white round. I'm going to do a bling bling LED light, pop that inside, just like so. Okay, we're going to inflate that so it's nice and rounded. Okay, tie that off. Then I'm going to take my Sharpie. Well, I had it right here. Where did it go? Here we go, right here. And I'm going to try to do the face this way so you guys can see. Do an eye and another eye. And I'll do the nose. Let me curve that a little bit more. And then the face, the stitches. And we'll fill the eyes in, just like so. And fill the other eye in, just like so. Okay, and that is his face, okay? We're going to take the skeleton's face, and we're going to put it in the middle of these 2 ear twists. So that becomes his body, right? And or where his clothes are. So right in the middle, okay? Then we'll put that to the side. I'm going to take a orange 5-inch round and get a LED light and bling it out. Take this off and do the bling bling thing. Put this right inside. And we're going to inflate it the same size as the skeleton head. So you take this and you kind of look at it and see how close in size they are. And that's about right. Tie that. Okay. And I'm going to do a second one. So I'm going to need 2 of those pumpkins. So might as well do it together so I can kind of pre-inflate and make sure the sizes are identical by eyeballing it. Okay. So let me see that. Okay. And let's see here. I think that's about there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the face of the jack-o'-lantern now, okay? And we're going to do 3 triangles. Like that. Fill them in. Then I'm going to do his face. So I first want to do a line across in the middle of the nose, if you will. And then I'm going to do a little curve under on both sides, just like that. I'm going to go up. Sort of like that. Bring it down. Like that. And we're going to kind of go up in here a little bit. In the center of it, sort of. So like that. And then fill that in. Takes a second, right? So it should look like this. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is you could use a raisin twist on the top, but I'm going to do the greenery, if you will, the stem with the dashes. Okay. So I'm going to take a 160, any kind of green. I have lime green here, so I'm going to use that. Okay. I'll inflate it just like so. And I'm going to do a small tulip twist on the top. Take your finger out, twist, twist, twist. So you have that little knot there, right? There's our knot. Okay. Do a leaf, another one the same size, and a third one the same size, right? Tie that around, rip this off. Okay. Oh, sometimes that happens. Tie that, and here we go. Wrap that all inside. So it looks like this. Okay. Now take the dashes. Okay. And I'll just put 1, 2, 3, just like that. Pull them all off. 1, 2, and 3. Then you put it, flop it right on top. Boom. There you go. So we do the same thing on here, and we place those on the 5 twists that we did. So it looks like this. Okay. So again, they are sort of close to each other. That is correct. Okay. But when you're going to put in the headband, it's going to go like that. So keep that in mind. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach this to a headband. Okay. So obviously we want to make sure that we have the attachment points. Okay. I'm going to start with these 2 sides and then lock in the third, the middle one. Okay. Because we already have a balloon there. So I have a little piece here already that I put on here. Okay. And I'm going to make sure that I tie it tightly in here on this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to cut this off. Okay. And then do this right like this. And we're going to cut this off. And where'd my scissors go? They were just here. Here they go. Here. Okay. Then we're going to do another twist in here. Piece to lock this in. Tie that in tight. And then cut this. It should look like that. Okay. So for that, I'm going to take a white 260. And I'm going to inflate that for the hands. Tail. Okay. We're going to do a smaller bubble with an ear twist. Another bubble with an ear twist. A loop. And we probably want to go up. Well, we're going to rip this. Save that. Okay. I'm probably going to go up probably about 1 inch there and tie this. This gets attached to this side right here on these two ear twists right here on the side. Just like that. Other piece right here gets inflated to do the same thing. We'll do a small bubble, a second small bubble, a loop. Okay, cut this off and tie this. And we're going to put this right in here. Then we're going to add in the bat bow, if you will. So it looks like this so far, okay? So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to take a black 160 and I'm going to put a puff in it. Oh, that one's holy. Let's see. If this is black, I can't see. Hopefully this is black. Let's see. It's just a puff. Okay. I'm going to cut this part off. I'm going to take it and sort of, I guess, fold it like this. Okay. And I want to put this up here on this ear twist, if you will, and in and around. And the other side as well. Hold on a second. Now, these are the bat wings, so I'm trying to do this so you guys can see. Kind of give it, look at the triangle side and hide the bottom, the mechanics, whatever the length is, around and up inside. Let's see. Do it like this. I have to do it this way, guys. And I'll show you. I'm basically going like this, and I'm going to tuck the rest in. Okay? So let me do that. Looks like this. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the artwork. So I want to do the eyes for the bat, which will become this pinch twist right here. And we'll do it like this. Like that. Just like that. And then we're going to do some dashes for the pinstripes, if you will. Just like this, like that, with our edging marker. In between here, over our other ear twist. In between there. In between there. So it completes it. And there. And let me just fix this around a little bit, just the way it looks. There we have it. So here we have our headband. And here's the one I did yesterday. I hope you guys like it. And I love your feedback again. And remember, happy Halloween to everybody. And let me know your comments and your feedback. And also, by the way, you guys know I'm the producer of the Bling Bling Jam. And we're having a super early bird special of $275. It ends on the 31st. It goes to $295. Love to meet you guys. Come on and say hello. Thanks, you guys. Over and out.